Hi genius, how are you? Meet Ina, Mina, Diga, Piga. Let's have chai pe charcha with them on laws of exponent. In the previous video, Salman Khan explained you the real meaning of exponent and their representation with numbers. Also some general misconception. You got one riddle in which two situations were given and you have to choose one. Would you rather receive a gift of rupees 1 million on 1st January? This is the first situation. And the second, a penny that doubles every day for the rest of the month. Have you chosen? Keep secret. We'll analyze the situation towards the end. There is one more challenge for you. 6 locks challenge. Would you like to play this? Rules are there are 6 rounds. In each round, you will be shown some explanation and you yourself will frame the rule. If your rule is correct, one lock will open and will open the door of the second challenge and so on. So, are you ready? Finally, you will receive a gift. This is the first situation displayed on your screen. There are 7a multiplied and you can write it as a raised to the power 7. You can regroup the 7a's like 3 and 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 5, 2, 2, 3, 1, 6. All the equations are exactly same. They are written in different styles. So look carefully and frame the rule. This is multiplication or product rule of exponent, which means base are same. With multiplication sign, you will add the power. Read the rule. Lock open. Very nice. This is the second situation displayed on your screen. 5a are multiplied in the numerator and 3a are there in the denominator. They can be represented like this: a raised to the power 5 upon a raised to the power 3, which in turn, when you cut the numerator by denominator, you will get a raised to the power 2. And this is the focus of the question. Analyze the situation in the writing style. Analyze the same situation with the green pattern, yellow pattern, and red pattern. Look carefully and frame the rule. This is division or quotient rule of exponent. Same base, look carefully. Same base, when they are divided, with the division sign, you subtract the power. Same base, division sign, or in a fraction style, subtract the power. Read the rule. Great. So take an overview. We have discussed two. Same power, multiplication, same base, multiplication sign, add the power. Same base, division sign, subtract the power. So these were the two rules we discussed. Be ready for the third. This is the third situation. Same exponent, a raised to the power 3 multiplied with a raised to the power 3. These are repeated multiplication of the a raised to the power 3. Here we have taken 4 times, so you can represent as power to power. A raised to the power 3 is raised to the power 4. Yeah, you cannot write it like 4 times a raised to the power 3 because there is multiplication, not addition. Don't do this, otherwise Pinto will laugh at you. and then you will find the answer as a raised to the power 12. Analyze the situation. It is represented in yellow, blue and green. It could be 2 times power raised or 3 times and more. But the conditions apply same. Look carefully and frame the third rule. Yes, this is power of a power rule of exponent. So any base when raised to the power and again raised to the power, you will multiply the powers. Read the rule. Very nice. Fourth rule. So when the same number of times, any number is in the numerator and in the denominator, you can represent like a raised to the power 3 divided by a raised to the power 3. Answer will come 1. And if you, with the exponent rule, if you solve, it will be a raised to the power 3 minus 3, which is equal to a raised to the power 0. And both of them are same. So analyze this situation and one more example which is given there and frame the rule. Look carefully. This is zero power rule of exponent. So any number raised to the power 0 becomes equal to 1. It means 0 is so powerful that when it is upon any number, it reduces the power and it becomes so humble just like 1. This is the actual power of 0. Just take an overview. You framed 4. Same base, multiplication sign, add the power. Same base, division sign, subtract the power. One base, power to power, powers will multiply. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now you are moving ahead to the fifth. This is the situation. Do you want me to explain? Don't get confused with a, b raised to the power 3. It means b is only raised to the power 3, not a. So two different bases with the same power. Now you analyze the situation of white, yellow and blue. Green. Green is the example with numbers. Frame the rule. This is power of a product, rule of exponent. So when different bases are there with the same power, you will multiply the base and that product will raise to the same power. This is called power of a product rule. Read the rule. Only one lock is left. This is the last situation given in front of you. You can analyze easily. Now, till now you have become little experts. So, for example, a into a, that means a raised to the power 3, which is being divided by b raised to the power 3, means different base, same power. So, you will take a upon b as common, will write raised to the power 3. So, it can be used in both the ways, from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS. So, look carefully and frame the rule. This is called power of a quotient rule of exponent. So you must have understood different power with the same, different base with the same power. So power will be distributed to both of them. Or if you are on the right side, so you can shift, your answer can shift to the left side also. This is the last rule. All the locks are open and this is the overview of all the 6 rules. Same base, multiplication sign, add the powers. Same base, division sign, subtract the power. 1 base, power to power, multiply the power. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Different base, same power, multiply the base with and raised to the power m. So this is for the same different base having the same common power. You can give it, it will be distributed to both of them. Very nice. If you are a genius if you framed all the laws, and you are intelligent if you frame 3 to 5 laws. You are on the way to intelligent if you frame 2 laws. So congratulations. Now this is the time to discuss the riddle. So if you have chosen the first option, that is 1 million on the first day, as a greedy one, you are in loss. Let's analyze. If you have 1 penny on the first day, second day it will double, next day it will become 4, then 8, 16, 32, and so on. And on the very 21st day only, you will have money more than 1 million. So this is the power of exponent. If I will be given, I'll go for the second offer. Thank you. You must have understood, I hope, very clearly the rules and what is exponent. In the next video, we will solve the questions using these laws. And who will explain you these laws? Yes, Spider-Man.